I love a good throw pillow, and VUDECO has some of the best 12 by 20 faux leather decorative pillow covers. Throw pillows can really bring a space together and help create personalization and intrigue. These pillow covers are designed with splices of brown, black, and white to add a touch of neutral but modern edginess to your home. It's the perfect decor piece for your farmhouse friends, minimalist family, modern event or party, or cozy office. These covers can perfectly set the tone of your room, couch, sofa, bench, or chair. They're also high quality and durable. These leather pillow covers are made with faux leather and polyester to ensure your new pillow cover will maintain its integrity with day-to-day wear and tear. There is a strong hidden zipper at the bottom for a more elegant look, as well as easy pillow insertion and washing. These pillow covers are stain resistant and easy to hand wash when dirty. If you're looking for a way to step up your decor game, add some effortless class to your space, or for the perfect gift, check out these 12 by 20 faux leather decorative pillow covers from VUDECO.